Y'all, Shein has got me in a chokehold when it comes to nail charms. All of this was about, I want to say, like $72, including the shipping and stuff. The shipping obviously makes it a little bit more expensive, but all of this stuff was mad cheap. Like chrome. If you know, just this alone at your like regular nail supply stores, sometimes at most be like $12. Sometimes like 7 if you have like a really cheap nail supply store. But I got all this stuff. I got duplicates of some stuff. I got a nail stamping plate, all of this. Everything is going to be linked down below. Like literally like the direct link to all of these products. So stay tuned and let's get into opening this stuff up and showing y'all up close and personal. Oh, I'm even forgetting. I done got like nail glues. I got even the pot ones that have like the thicker viscosity to put on nail charms, drill bit, the whole 9. $70. Get you on Shein. I'm telling you, these nail supply stores are ripping us off when all of this is this much on Shein.
These are the pink resin bows that I've been seeing everywhere. These on the back side do have a pretty flat surface, so just kind of keeping that in mind when you buy those. The dragon also is pretty pointy and has a small, slight curve on the back for your placement, but really not much. This was $2.57 and I got a 10 piece. I'm a little mad at it, but it is really shiny and does have a space for it to lay on the nail really flush and flat. But it being a 10 piece, I don't know. These are fire. Like, if you're gonna get these, get multiple. They come in a pack of 30, I believe. The back is really flat, so it is gonna have a pool of nail glue when you place them, but they're so cute. I got nail charm glue. This is 8 grams. This is the thicker consistency. And then these bows kind of got me. I was thinking Christmas time, da da da. They're huge. I don't, one thing about it is I might not like it, but a client might. But these are a lot bigger than I imagined them to be in the picture. And the dangly like crystal part, like I don't know, it gives me like arts and crafts versus anything. These are just the same red bows, but in I'm sorry, these are the same thing as the pink bows, just in red. And these are just resin, so they're plastic. Every time you see resin, think plastic. I got a 3-pack of nail glue because I really want to try different types of nail glue because it's a challenge working with charms, and if you don't have the proper glue, you're just setting yourself up for failure. So what I did enjoy about this was the 3-pack was only $2.77 for 3. And then when I opened it up, I'm like, "Oh, the cap got a the cap has like a thing so that when you put it back in here, it don't ever get goopy. So you're able to like to put it right back where like this. That way it keeps the entryway clean so that if it gets goopy, you don't have to like cut a hole up top because the bottom had got all goopy, which I actually like that. I got crosses. In my last video, I got silver, so I just bought the same ones in gold because everyone likes their silver or gold. And these are like little star flecks, which are really cute. They're really tiny, something small. This right here was a steal, okay? Buy multiple of this. These charms are so freaking shiny. It's ridiculous. $6, basically, let's just round up. $6 for 46 pieces is such a good deal. And they're really shiny. Only thing about it though is you don't get to choose what you get. You just get what you get. And that's it. Some of it is a little bit nonsense. Like, I don't know what that charm was, but like the safety pin, the crosses, these are really good statement charms and they're shining. Okay? Shining. I got chrome. I thought this would be really good for springtime because it's like pastels and it comes with the applicators. And I just thought it'd be really cute for spring. That's why I got them. And I got the Jesus piece. This is a smaller version of the Jesus piece, and it does have this round backing, but this is a small version. And then I got another brand of the same thing, like a thick nail gel, just to try because you see they're different brands, but I just got them to try because it's just a matter of finding what product works. So I don't know. We'll see about that. These right here, a steal. Okay. These at my nail supply store be $7 or $12 depending on which one you get. And I got these for $2.77 each. And they are shiny, y'all. Like super shiny. And they're all really good quality. I got different colors. I got all three of these from the same vendor. So again, everything is linked down below. I got the red, the soft green, and like the emerald green. And you can just tell like they're really shiny. Like they don't look like craft rhinestones. Like these actually like good quality shiny rhinestones. This is a pack of 30 just miscellaneous. I just thought Halloween ish is kind of what I figured. They are on the like rustic side of being silver. So this came in a 30 piece and it's just all different kind of stuff. These they got me because I thought that this was going to be, I don't know, just more. Okay, look how many are in here. And they're tiny as fuck. Like super, super tiny. I'm kind of glad I got two, but ain't nothing really in here for, I don't know. I don't know. This, I always see people put on the end when they do their French tip. It's just like the white resin angel. The details are pretty vague, but it's kind of like, you know what it is, but it's okay. For 150 it's alright. Don't get these, okay? These look like craft charms. The rainbow, I might be able to do something with this, but gold, silver, red, boo boo. And then I got these. This is like a bigger version of like a starburst. I don't know, like a sunseed. Really cute. For 190, it's not that bad. I got the silver version. I got the gold in my last video, so I put it the same in silver, so nothing here. And y'all, these are fire. They're like half butterfly, half charm, and then they give you like a variety, so you just have like a multi-pack of colors. So this is the red one, and they are kind of flat, I will say. They don't have too much of like a rounded out scoop, but for 170 those are really good quality. And then I got these for spring as well because they're kind of like pastel colors, and they do give you the beads as far as like the pearls and the silvers. Even though they do have a dot in the middle, they still give you, so you kind of get like a twofer with that one. And then I just got this like an accent charm that I would like decorate around, and the crystals are really shiny, so I really do like enjoy that because they kind of just give off high quality. And then this is so Sailor Moon, and it just reminded me of that, and I got it. And that little pink charm is like blinging. And then I got a stamping plate. I got a stamping plate because I'm a cheat. When I start doing my letters, I'm gonna stamp it, and then whatever doesn't transfer onto the nail, I'll be putting it like fixing it with my nail art brush, and then doing that. Same thing, just a small heart, really cute. A 10 piece for 160. This, I only thought I got these three, but it actually comes with the bottom three as well, which I didn't know, but they're just roses. So one's small, one's medium, and one's like thicker, and then you get the additional ones. I got a flat top drill bit. I got this one to replace the other one I have because it's getting dull. But just always keep in mind when you're using a flat top, this has the potential of cutting your clients. So just be careful because it's not a safety drill bit.